What if there was a single tool that could effortlessly unite developers, creators, and users, making digital transactions seamless? Telegram Stars is that groundbreaking solution. A powerful in-app payment tool designed to enhance engagement, simplify transactions, and boost the entire Ton ecosystem. So what exactly are Telegram Stars? Simply put, Telegram Stars are a digital payment system powered by Ton blockchain, allowing users to buy digital goods and services directly within Telegram. Seamlessly integrated with Toncoin, they facilitate rewarding creators, accessing premium content, and buying limited edition stickers and gifts. Telegram continues to introduce more features and uses for Stars. You can already use Stars to purchase Telegram Premium for yourself or as a gift for a friend. Additionally, Telegram introduced Star Messages. This allows users to set a fee for incoming messages from non-contacts, enhancing privacy and enabling monetization. Here's how Telegram Stars and Toncoin work hand in hand. First, supporting creators becomes straightforward. Users can easily send Telegram Stars as a direct appreciation for content they love, motivating creators to continue enriching the community. Secondly, for developers and creators, Telegram Stars provide a unique advantage: discounted advertising opportunities. By using Stars, creators can amplify their visibility within Telegram, connecting to larger audiences at a significantly lower cost. Thirdly, Telegram Stars streamline microtransactions. Unlike crypto exchanges, Stars simplify small payments, lowering barriers for new users. And lastly, Stars offer seamless asset exchange. Easily convertible to Toncoin and other Ton-based tokens, Telegram Stars ensure liquidity, flexibility, and convenience, enhancing the overall user experience. But the significance of Telegram Stars extends beyond individual benefits. They play a crucial role in boosting the broader Ton ecosystem. By fostering greater engagement, lowering transaction hurdles, and connecting millions directly to blockchain technology, Telegram Stars help drive the decentralized vision of Ton. Buying Telegram Stars couldn't be easier. Open Telegram and go to Settings. Select My Stars and tap Buy More Stars. Choose your preferred amount and complete your purchase through Apple Pay or Google Pay. Already part of the Ton ecosystem, you can buy Stars using Toncoin via Fragment. Fast, secure, and simple. Plus, Fragment also supports quick and easy withdrawal of earnings, including Stars earned from the Star Messages directly into Toncoin. Telegram Stars are more than just another cool feature. They are your gateway to the future of digital transactions and decentralized platforms. They make blockchain adoption accessible, bridging the comfortable world of Web2 with the boundless possibilities of Web3. Ready to step into this exciting digital frontier? Hit like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more insights. Share your thoughts below. How do you plan to use your Telegram Stars?